Lyle Solomon, principal attorney of the Oakview Law Group, a debt settlement and bankruptcy law firm, answers questions for our video series regarding how to manage debt during the pandemic. Our first question is, for the people who lost their income during COVID-19, should they file for bankruptcy? What are their options?
Bankruptcy is certainly an option when an individual or family has lost their income. And when I think about bankruptcy, I immediately reflect back to 2008, 2009. During that period, bankruptcies were on the rise. And in fact, there were record numbers of filings. And so bankruptcy is certainly an option for those who have lost their income and find themselves in financial straits. However, I never advise clients that it should be their first option. And there are several reasons for that. And the first being that a bankruptcy remains part of an individual's credit history for 7 to 10 years. And that specifically means that you have more difficulty in obtaining loans, purchasing a home, and especially in obtaining loans at a prime or even a reasonable interest rate during that period of time. So I try to advise clients to first consider how much debt they have. Is all of the debt they have dischargeable in bankruptcy? There are certain debts that will not go away with bankruptcy, except under very limited specific circumstances. And consider first either talking directly with creditors or employing someone like an entity like Oakview Law Group to discuss options with creditors in trying to work something out. And having said that, it reminds me that a couple of things that people should be aware of when considering bankruptcy, and that is that the big non-dischargeable debts are things like student loans, any tax debts. IRS, state tax boards do not get discharged. And another one that won't get discharged is child and spousal support. So it has to be it's an individual question whether or not you should file bankruptcy, and understanding that it's not going to be done the day that you file. It's not going to be done the day that you receive your notice of discharge from the bankruptcy court. It's going to be an ongoing process for several years. A little about me. I am the principal with Oakview Law Group, which is a debt consolidation, debt relief company. And my primary function with Oakview Law Group is in reviewing and helping to establish programs for our clients in solving their debt problems.
Thank you, Lyle. Stay tuned to ovlg.com.